forgot to mention, I'm a little hyped up on that Dayquil. Yeah! Caption today pertaining to Steph and her snowboarding abilities / progression. Full send. Oh!
Hi.
Oh! Don't worry, I got it. Oh, you're booking. She's booking right now. I didn't think she was going to still be behind me. Nice. You're killing it, babe.
Thanks. I did really good at toeside.
Yeah, you did. Now that she has a little bit of that liquid courage she downed a Moscow Mule at lunch, she's definitely putting more effort into her initiation into a toeside. And yeah, she's killing it. She's not messing around by any means. Last lap, Stephanie today, she progressed so much from earlier. Earlier she was just kind of just doing the lead down, and then by the end of the day, she was toe siding back and forth. Really looked a lot more confident than when we initially started, which is great. So yeah, so well done on her part. Where'd she go? I thought she was right behind me. Boom. She is a little sore. She's a little tired. She's a little hungry right now, so it's not the best combination.
Don't want to be around me.
But a little bit of coffee and we're going to be good to go. We're going to stop in Silverthorne, and I believe the cafe is called Red Buffalo Cafe. Went there last year. Really good. However, she had some complaints about Red Buffalo pertaining to the straws.
Paper straws.
But
we have our own straws.
We've come prepared, so it's going to be a A+ all around.
Your beard is dripping.
Oh, check this out. I need this car. It doesn't have a switch for, well, it has defrost for the front windshield and the back windshield, but it doesn't have a defrost for the beard. I'm gonna have to talk to the company about that and see if we can figure something out. All right, well, for now, we're taking off. We're getting coffee. See you, and hopefully we'll have some coffee in hand the next time I see you. All right, coffees are now in hand, and yes, it was Red Buffalo Cafe in Silverthorne. I got a Nutty Professor extra shot of espresso.
I got a sugar-free vanilla latte with almond milk.
Poops are gonna be real.
I don't think I'm gonna make it home before he has to poop.
So yeah, we have our coffees in hand. Now we're gonna head back to the cabin. It's about an hour and a half away from here. Wish us luck. Warming up the tootsies. Feeling warm and cozy. We've made it back to the cabin, and today, phenomenal day. And tomorrow could be even better. We're meeting up with my buddy Jonathan Buckhouse. Well, here's the thing. Hopefully meeting up with my buddy Jonathan. It all depends on how I feel. Hopefully I'm 100%. Otherwise, I don't want a chance getting him sick because he's going to be on the road for 3 weeks snowboarding. So I definitely don't want to mess that up. So fingers crossed that I will be 100% well in the morning. But for now, we have some cider, bubbly, in the fridge, and we're about to pop some bottles. Well, maybe one bottle. Yeah. Anyways, thought I'd get cozy. See you guys on the flip. I forgot to mention, I'm a little hyped up on that Dayquil. Yeah! And then what do you got?
I'm on Zycam.
She's on that Zycam.
I tried getting Tamiflu so I didn't get sick from him, but then my insurance wanted $200 for it, and I was like, nope.
No go. And she pays for insurance.
I pay for good insurance.
That's why I don't pay for insurance. I don't need that right now.